Hi, I'm Miss Walker, and in this video, I'm going over week 8, Wednesday, math. And before I get started, I called some parents today, and I found out that I have some students who've been watching these videos. So I'm going to give them a shout out before I get started. So shout out to Trajan Dawson for watching the videos and Byro Aguilar. Hi, guys. If anybody else watches the videos, you gotta let me know so I can shout you out as well. All right, in this video, we're going over triple digit subtraction. True story, I recorded this, I did it already, and then my computer froze and it deleted the whole video. So I had to erase and start over. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna use blue in this video today. Now, if you have trouble with subtraction, you should check out my videos that I did on place value subtraction using place value blocks. And then I also did it by drawing the picture in a place value chart to show an understanding of how we subtract and why we get 10 when we go next door. But in this video, I'm going to do the standard algorithm to kind of save some time so it won't be a 30-minute long video. So here we go. Number 1, we have 0 and we're trying to take away 6. We have more on the floor, so we've got to go next door, get 10 more. So in my tens place, this number is going to change from a 4 to a 3, and my 0 is going to change to a 10. 10 take away 6 is 4, and 3 take away 0 is 3. Then in my hundreds place, I have 8 take away 8, numbers the same, zero's the game. So I don't have to put anything here. Number 2, I have 1 and I'm trying to take away 2. I can't do that. There's more on the floor. Go next door. Get 10 more. So in my tens place, my 9 is now 8 and my 1 is 11 because I brought 10 over. So 10 plus 1 gives me 11. So now I'm doing 11 take away 2 and I have 9 left over. 8 take away 7 is 1. And 1 take away 1, numbers the same, zero's the game. Number 3, 396 take away 134, 6 take away 4 is 2, 9 take away 3 is 6, and 3 take away 1 is 2. The difference is 262. Now, I just told you the difference is 262. The difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Before I continue, I do want to go over some math terminology with you. This big number up here is called the minuend. The minuend is always your big number. Then you have the subtrahend, which is the number you are subtracting. It's only 1 so far if you're counting. All right, I'm on number 4. I have 5 and I'm trying to take away 6. I can't do that. There's more on the floor. I go next door and it puts a 1 in my tens place and 15 in my ones place. Now, 15 take away 6. I know the answer, but one of my students showed me this really neat trick. I don't know if it was Zaria or if it was Heaven, but they said, okay, I have 10 fingers. So I'm going to hold up 10. I'm going to decompose 15 into 10 and 5. So I've got 10 fingers right now. I'm going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have 4 fingers, but I have to add those 5 ones. So I'm going to add 5 to what I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that gives me 9. So 15 take away 6 is 9. Then in your tens place, we don't have enough, so we go next door. Now, this 200s is going to turn into 100s. When you take 100 and put it in the tens place, you have to put 10 sticks in the tens place. So 10 tens makes 100. If you don't believe me, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I'm going to add 10 to the one I already have, which gives me 11 tens. Now I'm going to do 11 minus 5, and that gives me 6. And 1 minus 1 is 0. The difference is 69. Number 5, 7 take away 4 is 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. And 7 take away 2 is 5. The difference is 533. Number 6. I look at this problem. I start in my ones place always with subtraction and addition, even multiplication. You start in your ones place. So I don't have enough. I have 1 and I'm trying to take away 9. I can't do that. So I've got to go next door, get 10 more. That's an 8. And this is now 11. 11 take away 9 is 2. I have 8 and I can't take away 9. So I've got to go next door. That makes this a 5 in my hundreds and 18 in my tens place. 18 take away 9. Well, I know 9 plus 9 is 18. So 5 take away 4 is 1. And my difference is 192. Going on to number 7. 9 take away nothing is 9. 8 take away 3 is 5. And 4 take away 3 is 1. The difference is 159. Number 8. 6 take away 2 is 4. 3 take away 3. Numbers the same. Zeros the game. 5 take away 4 is 1. The difference is 104. Number 9, 8 take away 1 is 7. 9 take away 7 is 2. And 8 take away 7 is 1. The difference is 127. Number 10. This is the one that messed me up the first time. I had to do some math for real in my head. All right, so on this one, we have more on the floor. We go next door, get 10 more. So I'm going to cross out that 5, and now I have 4 tens. This 1 is now 11. Now, I'm thinking to myself, 11 take away 4. I don't really like to count down, so I like to do addition because addition is just easier for me. I know 6 plus 4 is 10, so I know that 7 plus 4 has to give me 11. Then I have 4 take away 2. I know 2 plus 2 is 4, so 4 minus 2 has to be 2. And then 9 take away 6 is 3, so the difference is 327. Number 11, 5 take away 4 is 1. 7 take away 3 is 4. And 6 take away 5 is 1. The difference is 141. Number 12, 8 take away 2 is 6. 3 take away 1 is 2. Whoa. And 5 take away 2 is 3. The difference is 326. So I didn't have to ungroup on these. It was pretty easy. When there's more on top, there's no need to stop. Remember that. Number 13. Excuse me. All right. I have more on the floor, so I've got to go next door, get 10 more. That puts a 5 in my tens place. And it puts a 14 in my ones place. 14 take away 9 is 5. 5 take away 5 is 0. Numbers the same. Zeros the game. And 4 take away 2 is 2. The difference is 205. Moving on. Number 14. 4 take away 4. Numbers the same. Zeros the game. 0 take away 0. Numbers the same. Zeros the game. And 8 take away 7 leaves me with 1. So the difference is 100. On 15, 9 take away 2 is 7. Oh, I have 0 and I'm trying to take away 3. I can't do that. There's more on the floor. I've got to go next door, get 10 more. So I have 4 in my hundreds place, and I got to take 100 and put it in my tens place, which gives me 10 tens in my tens place. 10 take away 3 is 7. And 4 take away 1 is 3. The difference is 377. All right, that is the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video and I could be of some help. If you need anything else, then feel free to call, text, email, reach out, and I'm here to help you. Bye.